big time. Our very own pet shop. It's going to be fantastic.
You say so, Paul.
Of course I do. We've got everything here, you know. Nice solid counter, electronic till. Oh. Lots of commodious cages for the animals' comfort. What more could we need?
What about some animals?
Well, that's your department. I told you when I took the lease, I look after the shop, you look after the animals.
Well, I've got one or two things.
Well, let's have a look then.
There you go. Meet Stacey.
It's a worm.
That's right.
Well, it's not very exciting, is it? What else you got?
There is Bernard.
Who's Bernard?
Spider.
That's more like it. Where is it?
It's in the bath.
Great. What kind of spider is it? Tarantula? Black widow?
I don't know. Every time I try and pick him up, he runs down the plug hole.
Hopeless. What's in there?
Oh, that's a very special animal.
What a cute little thing. What's his name?
Cuddles.
Hello, little Cuddles.
Playful little mite, isn't he?
Well, that's a great start to the day. First day in the shop, and we've got absolutely nothing that we can sell to the general public.
No. Oh, there is. We've got this. I got it from Mrs. Banerjee at the corner shop. She's retiring.
Not stuffed, is it?
I don't think so.
It's a budgie.
Hey!
At last, we've got something that we can sell to the general public. An everyday communal garden budgie.
That's laid an unfeasibly large egg.
You're right. How has a bird that size lay such a great big egg?
With great difficulty. You'd have thought she started hatching by now, wouldn't you?
Don't be silly. Little bird like that can't sit on a great big egg like this.
I suppose so. It's a shame, though. If she had hatched it, we could have had 2 budgies to sell.
It's times like this, Barry, that Mother Nature needs a helping hand. There you are, Barry. I've made your nest. Now sit in it.
I'm not sure I like this, Paul.
Nonsense. You want the egg to hatch, don't you?
I'm not that bothered, really.
Look, you're in charge of animals, so sit.
Oh, dear, oh, dear.
Look, stay there, and if anything happens, give me a shout.
You're not leaving me, are you? It could take weeks.
I've got a shop to run. I'll pop in and see you every now and again, OK?
But I'll get bored on my own.
Here. Just the job, that. Sweet dreams. Very nice. Just one more, I think. Hey! Give me my watch back, you! You, whatever you are. Fancy bringing an animal like that in here, Barry. You're useless, you are.
Why don't you give your mouth a rest, you idle, ignorant layabout?
Hey?
You heard, you big-headed nit.
I don't believe me ears.
Neither can I. Your nose isn't up too much either.
I've never been so insulted.
Shh, will you be quiet?
Here he is, old Stacey!
No, he'll be coming.
Right, you. What's your game?
It wasn't me, it was the bird.
Rubbish. I heard your voice plain as day.
It was the bird saying all those things.
Typical. Putting the blame on a poor, defenceless animal. That's despicable, that is.
It's true, it was imitating my voice.
Well, go on then. Make him say something now.
Come on, birdie. Who's a pretty girl, then?
Ah, yeah? What did I tell you? What a load of rubbish.
Right, I'm not standing for this. You want the egg hatching? You sit on it. I'm not being blamed for something I didn't do.
What about the shop?
I'll run it.
There he goes, tail between his legs.
It's the bad rubbish.
Quite right there. He's always been the same, that one.
He's idle, ignorant and low-mouthed.
I don't trust him in the shop on his own, though.
In that shop alone.
I think I'll order some tea in a minute.
And some biscuits.
Yes, and some Garibaldis and some... Hey? You talk. Hey, Barry! The budgie talks! The budgie talks!
The budgie talks, the budgie talks.
She does impersonations as well.
What did I tell you?
What did I tell you?
And she sings, hey, this is going to put the shop on the map. All is forgiven, Barry.
Thank you.
Back on the egg.
Great.
Hey, when that egg hatches out, we'll have 2 singing birds.
It'll be just a thing for the shop.
It'll be a riot. Barry! Barry! Barry!
What do you want? I'm trying to hatch that egg.
Never mind about that now. Go and put a pillow on it and come and give me a hand.
Okay. I'm back.
Move that box away from here.
Okay. Quiet, Cuddles.
Thanks, Barry. I don't like that thing.
Please mind your head on this sign. What do you want to put that up for?
Customer care, Barry. We don't want any nasty accidents. We don't want people to bump their heads.
Anyway, it's too far away from the door. You need to come left.
All right, then.
To me.
How's that?
No, a bit more left.
A bit more?
Yeah, to me.
To you.
To me a bit.
You sure?
Yes, a bit more.
How's that?
Keep coming left. Keep coming left.
More?
Oh, hang on, I'll answer the phone.
Well, hurry up, won't you?
Hello, Chuckle Pet Supplies. Can I help you? Hello? Hello? Nobody there. Right, you still need to go left.
You sure about that?
I'm certain.
There, like that.
No, keep going left.
More?
More.
That'll do, will it?
No, you're still too far from the door. Keep going left.
You sure about this?
I'm positive.
How's that?
Hang on, I've got to go to the door now. Won't be long.
Well, please don't be long, will you?
Millet delivery.
Just a minute.
I'll try around the front.
I'm on my way. Hurry up.
Here I am, Paul.
Oh, thank goodness.
Right, you need to go left a lot more.
A lot more?
A lot more.
Dear, oh dear. How's that?
Oh, you keep going, you need to go left.
Even more left? It's a long way, this. How's that?
That'll do. Now you need to go back a bit.
Back a bit. Oh! Oh! Barry? Barry? Barry, where have you gone? Get me out! What do you think you're playing at?
It's not my fault. I thought we had a delivery.
Shift that, will you?
Shh, Cuddles.
There's a news flash. A tornado is reported to be heading towards the high street. This violent wind is highly dangerous. Its epicenter is thought to be Chuckle Pet Supplies.
Oh dear, oh dear.
What we're going to do?
Shopkeepers are advised to take cover.
Can't hear anything.
Winds of over 100 miles an hour are expected. Doors and windows should be barricaded. Use any means to protect yourself.
Quick, quick! Make a barricade out of those shelves.
Shelves.
Quick, quick, yeah.
Quick, quick. What are we going to do?
Quick, up to the counter.
Whew. Thank goodness for the radio.
You're not wrong there. Just a minute. We haven't got a radio.
You're right.
Silly you.
There's something very strange going on here.
I know.
You don't think it could have been the budgie making all those noises, do you?
Don't be stupid.
You don't think it could have been the budgie making all those noises, do you? Don't be stupid. You don't think it could have been the budgie making all those noises, do you? Don't be stupid.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Of course. There's only one thing to do with a budget like that.
Right, that's settled.
I'll go and make a few arrangements. You clear up.
Right.
You've missed a bit. You've missed a bit.
Thank you.
Silly you.
Right, that's it. I've had enough of you.
This is a pet shop.
Chuckle Pet Supplies. Can I help you?
Good. I'd like to buy a pet.
Ah, what about a nice...
Well, I was thinking about something affectionate. You know, something I could take for long walks in the country and throw sticks for.
I've got the very thing.
That's a budgie.
Perfect for you.
Well, I had been thinking about something more like a dog.
No, you don't want a dog. Too much trouble. Great big smelly brutes.
I'd rather set my heart on a dog.
No, they'll eat you out of house and home. Whereas a budgie eats like a bird. Have you seen the price of dog food?
Oh, that's not a problem. I run a little grocer's store, and there's always plenty food around.
Ah, well, there you are. Think of all the sausages that'll go missing. A budgie's happy with a bit of millet.
Oh, now that's a point. And I am rather fond of sausages.
And the budgie's nice, quiet, friendly, easy to keep. No trouble at all. We've got a sale on at the moment. Yours for £1. Cage, bell, ladder, and 6 months' supply of millet.
Well, that does sound like a bargain. I'll take him.
Very good. You'll not regret it.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, I'm terribly sorry. Hey, all settled. That bird's going to make us a fortune.
She has already. Well, £1 anyway.
Great. What'd she do? Sing a song? Tell a joke?
Neither. I've just sold her.
Oh, that's all right. What do you mean you just sold her?
To that lady who just left.
Oh, no. She's gone. What a disaster.
Shirley Budgie singing here next Wednesday? Oh, Shirley Budgie?
Our budgie. The budgie. The one you've just sold.
Oh, dear.
I was lining up for a career in show business. I've lashed out all sorts. On a grand piano, a little dress, all for a first show.
Well, you just have to cancel it, won't you?
I can't do that. I've sold the tickets. I've got all sorts coming. I've got showbiz agents, talent scouts, not to mention a party from the BBC.
The BBC? Was she going to be on television then?
Oh, British Budgie Council, the organisation for budgie lovers everywhere.
Oh, dear.
Hang on. I've got it. Right, Barry. Back on the egg.
Not again. Why?
Well, if the contents of that egg is anything like its mother, we'll have another singing sensation on our hands. So get cracking. Do you get it? Cracking.
OK. Pass me my knitting.
Get cracking. Should be able to use that in the act.
If it hatches out in time.
Well, that's all down to you, isn't it, Barry? Or should I say, Mother Goose?
Get out of it.
Not long to go now. Oh, nice to see you could make it, Ethel. Oh, sorry, Nigel. Nice to see so many here from the Budgie Club. Well, I'll just go and check on the final preparations. Back in a bit. Oh, help yourself to more millet. Any progress?
Nothing.
Oh, no. That bird should have been on 2 hours ago. You're getting a bit restless out there. You're going to have to do something.
Well, I'm doing my best. I can't make the thing hatch.
There's only one thing for it. You're going to have to go on and do something until it hatches.
But what can I do?
I don't know, do your paper tearing.
I'm rubbish at paper tearing. They'll all leave.
I've thought of that, they won't.
How do you know?
Just trust me. Now go out there while I have a think. Now let's think. I've got it. I'm off.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to apologise for the slight delay. But Shirley's a very shy performer and she likes to be coaxed out of her shell. But rest assured, she'll be with us before long. In the meantime, I'd like to do my famous paper tearing. You'll like this. A tear here, a fold here, and what do we have? Chartres Cathedral.
Hang on. That was her.
Hello? Hello? Miriam? Hello?
Here's your money back. I think it's, faulty.
Yes, hello? Oh, that's what I call service. Young man, come back.
Another blizzard. I think I'm losing them, Paul.
Hey. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the highlight of the evening.
And not before time. They're turning nasty.
It's what you've all been waiting for, especially you budgie lovers. It's the one, the only, the all singing, all dancing sensation that is Shirley Budgie!
She's let herself go a bit.
You monsters! What are you doing with my bird?
Oh, I'm terribly sorry. Here you are, you can have it back.
So it wasn't the budgie after all then?
No, it was a dinner. She decided to let the budgie go. She gave it its freedom.
That's nice. Shame we won't see the budgie again, though.
Never mind. When that egg hatches out, we'll have Shirley Mark too.
I've got some news. It's already hatched.
Great. What was it, a boy or a girl?
Neither. It was a hazelnut whirl.
Hey?
I dropped it and it broke. Turned out to be an Easter egg.
You mean we spent all that time trying to hatch a chocolate egg?
It must have come from Mrs. Banerjee's shop.
Dear, oh dear. And I hate hazelnuts.
You can put it in Cuddle's box.
Get out of it. I'm not going anywhere near that thing.
It's okay. I gave him to that lady to make up for everything.
Right. All's well that ends well.
I wonder where Shirley is now.
Could be anywhere, Barry. Flying around.
You think she'll miss us?
I'm sure she will.
I wish she had.
More ChuckleVision on in a moment, but coming up, very soon, we are going to be playing our great new game called Bouncing Buddies. I love saying that.
I love that.
Anyway, these are the prizes you could be playing for today. Now, if you collect 1 to 3 eggs, you can get yourself a CBBC mug plus a walking egg. 4 to 6, you can get yourself a bouncing ball that you can bounce along, travelling style, you know. 7 and above, you get yourself that puppeting chickening duck. That's right.
It's quite simple, really. All you've got to do is direct our bunny cam, hello bunny cam, how are you doing, around our beautiful Easter set and find out how many eggs are hidden here. The more eggs you get, the more time you score. And if you get the most eggs, you'll go on to the next round to win the prizes.
All right, but you do have to answer a qualifying question, which is this. The question says...